Dyeing of cotton fabric with sulfur dyes. Sulfur dyes. Sulfur dyes are highly colored, water-insoluble compounds and have to be converted into water-soluble substantive forms before application to the textile materials. This conversion is carried out by a treatment with a reducing agent like dilute aqueous Na2S. Apparatus required for dyeing: beaker, glass rod, cylinder, electric balance, thermometer, dryer. Objectives of sulfur dyeing: to learn about how to cotton fabric dyeing with sulfur dyes. To know about sulfur dyes. To get an idea about the function of used dyeing chemicals. To know how to improve the dyeing process. Function of used dyeing chemicals. Sequestering agent to remove the hardness from water. Alkali, it converts oil into water-soluble fatty acid and soap. Salt, it acts as a catalyst that accelerates absorption rate and reduces surface tension. Hydrose, it acts as a reducing agent. H2O2, it helps to insoluble the sulfur dyes. Acetic acid helps to keep the solution in an acidic medium to react with dye and fabric. Shade provides the desired color. Working procedure. Reduction. The dye was taken in a vessel and mixed well with alkali and added specific amount of water. Specific amount of soda ash is added to neutralize any acid formed in the dyestuff during storage. The quantity of reducing agent depends upon the shade depth and ml of the bath. Dyeing. The dye is kept ready with small quantity of the alkali stable and compatible wetting agent, a dye bath stabilizer, sodium sulfide and caustic soda. The dye is then added to the solution after 15 to 25 minutes. The temperature is then raised to above 180 C and kept above the heater enough time. Oxidation. The oxidation is done to reconvert the leuco compound back to insoluble dye. Dyeing recipe. 1. Reduction. Sequestering agent 1 cubic centimeter per liter, hydrose 3 gm/L, NaOH 3 gm/L, pH 11. Temperature 60 C, time 10 minutes, dyes 1%, O.W.F. ml 70. 2. Dyeing. Salt 15 gm/L, time 20 minutes, temperature 80 C. 3. Oxidation. Sequestering agent 1 cubic centimeter/L, acetic acid 2 cubic centimeters per liter, H2O2 3 cubic centimeters per liter, pH 4.5 to 5.5. Temperature 80 C, time 10 minutes, ml 1 hour 60 minutes. Dyeing calculation. Fabric weight equals 3.65 gm. Weight of water is equal to 3.65 times 70 ml. Ratio equals 260 cubic centimeters per liter. Hydrose equals 3 times 260 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.78 gm. NaOH equals 3 asterisk 260/1000 equals 0.78 gm. Sequestering agent is equal to 1 times 260/1000 equals 0.26 cubic centimeters per liter. Dyes is equal to 1 times 3.65/100, O.W.F. equals 0.37 gm. Salt equals 15 times 260 divided by 1000 is equal to 3.9 gm. Sequestering agent is equal to 3.65 times 60 ml. Ratio equals 219/1000 equals 0.219 cubic centimeters per liter. Acetic acid equals 2 times 219 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.438 cc/L. H2O2 equals 3 times 219 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.657 cc/L. Conclusion. From this experiment, we can learn how to dye cotton fabric with sulfur dyes, which will help us in our future practical dyeing job life. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. To get more textile